Madam, are you alright? Hey. Can you hear me? What's happened? Hey. I can see that you're having a really difficult time right now. I know it's hard to calm down, but please, just focus on my voice. You're going to be okay. I promise. This is going to pass. You're going to be okay. Just take a deep breath. That's right. It's okay. Focus on my voice. Look at me. No, it's okay. There's no reason to feel ashamed. I promise. Everything is alright. Just breathe. It's alright. Just breathe. Don't worry about everyone else. It's just you and me. I'm here for you. Take a deep breath. And let it go. That's it. Everything is all right. This is going to pass. Just focus on my voice, yeah. That's it. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. That's it. That's better. Everything is going to be okay. Oh, hey, it's okay. I want to help you. Can I help you pick up your things, yeah? Oh, here. I'll put them in your bag if that's okay. Everything's gonna be alright. There. Everything is nice and safe. Would you like to sit down for a bit? You've had quite the scare. Do you want me to hold your bag for you? It's pretty heavy. No, it's no problem. Here, I'll take this and let's go sit in the bench over there. Oh, it's nice to sit down, yeah? It's much quieter here, too. How do you feel? Oh, no, I'm sorry. It's okay if that's too much to think about right now. It's all okay. It's okay to cry. I'm sorry that you're feeling this way. I'll stay with you until you feel better, I promise. These feelings that you are experiencing, they will pass. This doesn't make them any less real or scary, but at least they won't last forever, right? Oh, there's a smile. See? My magical powers are already working. Oh, hey, it's okay. Just let it out. Don't worry about what anyone thinks. I'm here for you. I'm not judging you. It's okay to cry. I'm sorry that you're feeling like this. I want to help you as much as I can. May I hold you? Here. I'll hold you tight and keep you grounded. And you can just let go. That's it. Everything is all right. You're safe. You can let go. It's okay to cry. Just breathe. Remember to keep breathing. That's good. Everything's gonna be okay. I've got you. I'm here for you. I'm not going anywhere. You think that's a joke? You'd really think I'd ever leave you after going through this moment with you? We must at least be best friends for life, don't you think? There's that smile. Feeling much better now, huh? I'm glad that I could help. And I want to always be there for you. Whenever you are feeling this way. And I want to always be there for you. Whenever you are feeling this way. Nobody should go through this alone. And don't think that's all I see in you. I see all that you are just by looking in your eyes. There's a world of beauty inside of you. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I'm here for as long as you need. It's okay to close your eyes, yeah? I'll just hold you gently. Just let me know when you're ready to go. Everything is going to be just fine.